Hey guys, it's JVTuber, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to disassemble and reassemble your Rubik's Cube. Okay, so this is the first step to disassembling your Rubik's Cube. So first, rotate the top layer 45 degrees. Then stick something under there, like maybe a screwdriver. I could probably get it with my finger. And then it should be pretty easy from there. You can just start taking out all the pieces any old way you want. Just hold on. Okay. Now, this is the hard part. Reassembling it. So, first, what I recommend is sorting out all the edges and corner pieces out. Okay. So now we have the corner pieces and the edge pieces. So basically this is different from the way a lot of people do it, but this is how I like to do it. So just take your core, take a piece that has white on it, that's an edge, and just place it here. I'm going to do the white green, place it here, and then just slide it into the green and white spot. So now you have one edge in. So now I'm going to do the white blue piece, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing I did before. Sorry if my hand's blocking it. And slide it up. So then you want to hold it like this. So just hold it like that. So then the green and yellow piece is next. Wait. Here it is. And just do the exact same old thing. And then just hold it like this. And then the final piece of the middle layer, which is this yellow and blue piece. And for this one, it may be a little tricky, but just try to like slide it in like that. May take a couple of tries to get it in there. And then you can just even out everything on each side. Okay. So now I'm just going to pick the orange or the red. I'm just going to go with red. And so on the orange, you're going to hold it in between these two fingers, the orange centerpiece, and flip your hand over like this. So now you place in this red and blue piece, and for after every single piece, I would recommend just aligning all the pieces in the middle layer after almost every piece, just because that way it doesn't fall apart. So then, and this time I'm going to get a corner, this one, and we're just going to place it in here and slip it over. Make sure it's turned the correct way, and again I will align this all. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing with an edge. This can Okay. So which one is it? Right here. And you're just going to try and place it in there. It could be a little tricky. And again, as always, just do this. Align all the pieces. And then the corner. Slide it over. Bring it back over like that. And then the edge. Okay. And now, finally, the last 3 pieces. This time you're going to do 2 corners. So 1 corner. Oops. Okay, this piece feels like it's about to fall, so let's just align that. Okay, everything looks aligned. And then you're gonna do another corner, hold on, another corner, this one. And then you're going to just place it in there. And then this piece may be a little bit tricky to put in. Just have it at the 45-degree angle. And then just try to shove it in there. Could be a little tricky on that piece. Ugh. Okay, finally. Just rotate it back. So now we have 2 layers complete. And now we have 8 pieces left. So, just grab a piece. Any piece that's a corner. And just push it in where it goes. And then take the edge piece that matches and turn everything to a 45 degrees. And then turn it over here. Take this, place it in, and then just place this in there. And here, and then 2 corners. Oops. And then twist it the correct way. And now this is the hardest piece to get in. The last piece, it's always the hardest. And it's always so frustrating when I can't get it in. So what you need to do is turn the layer 45 degrees and take your piece. And what I usually do is, see this part right here? I place that in first, so it's in there. And then this final piece, I just push that way. And then it should be completely assembled. And so yeah, I hope you were able to disassemble and reassemble your Rubik's Cube. And I will see you guys later. Bye.